Hi folks, I want to make that short video after I checked multiple videos on YouTube how the people change the batteries at Prius or Lexus CT in my case, and they find out that the terminals are all rusted and corroded. Yes, they're all rusted and corroded, and if you can check, most of them are corroded, and that can be the cause of why you have sometimes check hybrid system error message code, and why sometimes one battery get more charge or less charge than another one. Well, I saw everybody taking those metal plates out and they cleaning them, but nobody did that we usually supposed to do when we clean the battery terminals. Yes, you take them out, you clean them so they'll be clean like that one, and then I wash my bolts at the brake cleaner liquid. And then what we do with the battery, when you go to AutoZone or some different places, they sell you the grease. So after you clean that, just go ahead and grease every terminal inside and outside, both sides. Right here, turn. So what it will do, you'll forget about corrosion forever on that place. As I said, every video I saw on YouTube, the guy's just cleaning and put it back. But if you do that simple step with a little bit grease on that, it will be good to go and forget about the corrosion forever.